Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of Network Port Socket Communication UDP. Open the Library Manager and add the network library. When you expand the library, you can see the library instructions and pin parameter descriptions. For UDP communication, run the UDP peer, UDP receive, and UDP send commands. The following instructions are called in the program. The UDP peer command is used to set up the UDP communication. The value corresponds to the IP address and port number of the PLC. The IP is assigned using the move instruction. UDP receive is used to receive data. Once the enable is triggered, data is received. The following is the length of the received data and the storage address. UDP send is used to send data. Once the enable is triggered, data is sent. The following correspond to the IP address and port number of the peer party. Below is the size of the sent data and the data storage address. Use the move command to assign the IP address of the other party. Add blink library to implement periodic data receiving function. Download project into PLC. Start UDP communication. Use the debug assistant as the other side of the communication. Set the IP address and port number. At this point, the communication has been successfully established. Let's take a look at the actual data transfer. About the introduction of Network Port Socket Communication UDP, that's all. Thank you.